So many of you guys have homes and a lot of money maybe, but still you're living a boring and dry lifestyle. But in this video, we're gonna explore 8 of the most amazing ideas to make your home a better place to live. So without further ado,
let's begin!
Trampoline holes. Have you ever dug a hole and not known what to do with it? Well, how about installing a trampoline? Known to be fun for adults and children alike, the folks over at trampolineholes.com can have one installed faster than you can blink. As an added safety measure, these professionals make use sophisticated trampoline safety pads, which ensure that the holes remain safe and free from water, removing all possible causes of harm to you and your children as well as your pets. Having a trampoline is practically a requirement of childhood, with the fun and memories created bringing your family closer and lasting throughout the years. Wooden hot tub. There's nothing quite like a hot bath at the end of a long, stressful day. This wooden hot tub product, Diced by Felder Group, produces DIY modular wooden blocks that helps you create your own custom hot tub to suit your specific needs. This comprises of a combination of 5 machines, taking up a surprisingly modest 2.5 square meters of space and providing a combination of planning, molding, cutting, and drilling functionalities all in one place. The starting material is wood, specifically Siberian larch, a material known for its durability and weather resistance. It's then molded to achieve a puzzle-like joint mechanism with additional stability ensured by stainless steel screws, and then assembled according to your specific needs. Installation is as easy as piecing together all the blocks over a base, and is guaranteed to be a fun and rewarding experience. For extra support, metallic belts are placed around the hot tub, and all that is left before you can enjoy a steamy hot bath. This custom-designed bath is the installation of a heater and other accessories all together in one. Canuck. The Canuck is a trendy device which serves as a DIY television stand while doubling as a storage equipment. Having this system installed in your home is a matter of patience and some practice. First, it's necessary for you to determine the outline of the TV stand in your wall. This will help you cut your studs to the precise lengths so that you'll need a nibbler. And after this, you'll need to drill holes for the screws in which you'll secure the metallic components, and pretty much all the work is done. All that's left for you to do is assemble the metallic body, and voila! You made your very own stand! You may need to clamp the whole thing together as well as apply some acrylic for added security and finishing though. But at the end result, it becomes a gorgeous and effective stand which you've essentially constructed yourself. Magic shower head. The magic shower head hits the spot after a long, sweaty day. It's a portable device which gives anyone the opportunity to ensure a cool shower no matter the limitations of space. This handy device resembles a wooden platform weighing about 10 kilograms and measuring 70 by 55 centimeters. The number of heads have been known to vary from 2 to 11, and this fully automatic shower has the capability to activate when any potential user stands on the platform. Epoxy EDI. As time goes on, floor and furniture decorations using epoxy resin are gradually becoming more popular. This finishing has all the advantages of all contemporary finishing with the added flexibility. It allows for interesting and unique designs, and this one of the reasons why it's become the choice of trendy and design-savvy homeowners all over the globe is that epoxy resin can be purchased in any color, and as time goes on, it's becoming the subject of a lot of experimentation, which means that you'll probably never run out of choices when it comes to ideas for home design. Bauhaus tiles. This particular technique is the newest way to lay tiles. Known as the Crystal Grip by Johnson Tiles, this invention makes use of a unique carrier adhesive fabric system, which ensures that your tiles can be easily adjusted to the wall and removed again with no dirt, no delay, and no stress. You shouldn't worry about detachment, as high shear strengths and tensile strengths prevent any accidental removal, while low peel adhesion ensures that the tiles can come off whenever you want them to. Crystal Grip's waterproof nature gives you even more choices when it comes to decoration, as you can let your creative juices flow and apply tiles wherever you want without fear and without restriction. Stainless steel waterfall. We all want to be closer to nature. We love our lives searching for the serenity it grants us. And when we finally get there, we are fulfilled. Well, this serene feeling can be replicated in your very own bathroom with a minimum of stress. The stainless steel waterfall, also known as the Mamba, is a snake-like design created to give your pond or swimming pool that naturey feel. It comes in different sizes and with different effects, such as LED lights and water pumps. Its durability is ensured by coating with an inox material, which grants resistance to chlorine and salt water. Nere. Nere is a unique and fashion-forward collection of shower screens, which can be installed with a minimum of expertise. This device comes with tempered glass of 6 mm, maxi-clean and integrated hanger for comfortable access to towels, as well as aluminum frames and rubber strips for added safety. You can install the entire device without once requiring any drills, and average time of installment has been recorded to be less than 2 hours. All you'll need to do is make measurements, make sure your work area is clean and dry, stick an aluminum frame to the wall, and then insert your glass door into the frame. Then you'll have to insert a long strip for vibration reduction, as well as 2 muscles at slicing frames and a module block. Lastly, install your rubber strips at the edges of the glass doors, make sure all screws are appropriately tightened, and then fasten a metal crown onto the topmost section, then gaze at the magnificent work of your hands. Of course, you'll have to ensure that all gaps are sealed by a special glue before use. for watching! So, which innovative solution did you find the most impressive? And why? Let me know in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks again. Bye. Peace.